What's up, guys? Mike here. The market has been on an insane rally. It has been going one of its longest 50-day rallies, going up, up, up with nowhere in sight. And also, the last 2 weeks ago, where the riots were going on, it had been on its massive moves it has made the past few months. And it had nowhere in sight until this past week, where the market has just been crashing just as hard because China again started closing. Beijing and everywhere else there just started closing schools, and now it's affecting the market again. And right now we're on back to a downtrend once more again. In this video, I'm going to tell you the next best stocks to buy right now in this time that's going to give you a great return. It's going to be safe, and it also will give you dividends while you hold it and make money on it as it goes right back up again. So with that said, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and let's begin. All right, so let's start with our first number one stock to buy right now. No joke. And that is none other than Pfizer, ticker symbol PFE. Right now, it's trading at $33.42, and I think this is a steal of a price. No joke. This is totally undervalued. Look at that. Even Yahoo Finance will tell you it's undervalued. If you can get this stock under 33.5, you are getting a steal of a deal. This company is gonna go easily back to $36 to $38. So that's pretty much a $3 to $4, $5 money guarantee that you'll be getting when this stock moves right back up. And right now, Pfizer has teamed up with another company, ticker symbol BTNX, to work on the Rona vaccine that's going on. So I'm telling you, the one and only biotech company that I would trust, that I would put my money, that I think will be the first to come up with the vaccine is going to be none other than Pfizer and BTNX, which is another company they're teaming up with. They're going to be making the vaccine that actually works, that actually prevents the disease, and also is going to make long-term effects. You know, like any other company, I think their side effects and the death rates on that vaccine that they're going to be making is going to be horrible. And Pfizer is probably going to make the safest vaccine out of all of them. So I wouldn't trust Novavax or Moderna or any of those other biotech companies, because let me tell you guys, Novavax is a company that I have been following for many years. I can say over 2 years now, and any vaccine these people have ever worked on and made has been a failure. They just recently failed a flu shot vaccine for children, and they failed miserably. Okay, the stock dropped from $5. No, actually it was trading around $10 to about $2. They had to do a reverse split, which is always bad news for a company to do a reverse split to go right back, because they're about to get delisted because they pretty much even hit under $1. So that's how bad it was. And they did a massive reverse split. I think it was a 20-to-1 reverse split last time I checked. So do not trust Novavax. They are a failed company, and they will continue to fail on any vaccines they make. That's a company that I wouldn't trust. They might have been on an insane rally right now, but don't waste your time on Novavax or Moderna. All right, let's look at Pfizer's financials, right? Look at that. They are profiting gross $40 billion just this year. It is easy money for these people, right? They are going to be making money. The only biotech company that I would trust my money in, that I would say is going to be best long-term hold while you're collecting insane dividends, is going to be Pfizer. Look at their assets, $167 billion. Let me know if you know any other biotech company that has assets this massive, and it has been going for 40 straight years, and its average price goes for around $36, and it has never dipped more than a few dollars. Look at that. They got cash flow coming in $11.5 billion, all right? And look at that. They barely have any debt, if they have any. I can't even find any debt that they have, which makes it a steal, okay? When a company does not have debt, that means it is gold, all right? They are spending a lot of money. They just spent another $500 million on a new drug that they're working on. I forgot the name, but it's going to make massive moves. So Pfizer, it's going to be a little bit short time hold. You're going to have to hold it for a little bit until it goes right back to $36 to $8. That's my price target. But if you can buy this under 33.5, you are getting a steal. Just look at that. Pfizer right now is at a 35 RSI. It hit last week at $32. So you could have got the best deal and $1 return already when you got it at 32 bucks. All right, so they already moved up. When I saw it, they were at 31 RSI. They already moved up 4 RSI, and it's only going to continue going up. While this market is going to be sinking and going down, Pfizer will continue to move up. All right, it is the only stock that I would trust my money in. They've been going down for the past week because one of their research trials did not do well. But hey, sometimes you hit, sometimes you miss. It was the breast cancer drug. I completely forgot what it was, but it was supposed to treat breast cancer. But anyways, so Pfizer is #1 stock you guys should be buying. It would have been a steal of a price if you could have got it at 32, around here. All right, so let's move on to stock number 2. All right, so stock number 2 is none other than AT&T Telecommunications, ticker symbol T. This is a massive, massive corporation. This is one of my favorite dividend stocks. If you guys know me, I do not look at this that is saying overvalued. That is completely horse jack. Right, this company is perfectly valued right now at 30.3. If you can get this anywhere below $30, you are getting a steal, okay? You are not only getting an insane company that's absolutely going to be making massive moves throughout the year, but you are also going to be getting a company that's going to be paying dividends long term, and they continuously increase their dividends. AT&T and Pfizer have been an aristocratic stock. They have been paying their dividends and increasing it for over 25 straight years. So that makes these two companies an absolute must-have, especially for long term. If you're just going to buy these two and hold forever, you are making the best move. And anything under 30, even 30.5, right now it's a perfect price to buy right now. Even I already bought a ton of shares. Even Pfizer, I bought a ton of shares. And right now, it is perfect money to buy right now. One of the best stocks to buy. All right, look at this company, all right? You know me. I've spoken about AT&T in my previous videos, and I said this company makes massive profit, right? $96 billion to date right now, all right? This is insane profit, all right? They are making money moves. You don't hear me say stocks or companies make money moves, but AT&T straight up makes money moves, and they are working on 5G network optics right now, so it's going to be making a lot more moves in the near future. So do not miss out your chance for getting Pfizer. All right, so look at their balance sheet. It's straight up steal. $500 billion in assets. Come on, that's crazy. All right, look at the cash flow. Look at that, $27 billion in cash flow. All right, they are making insane derivative moves right now. They do have some debt, but it's not as bad as so many other companies because their balance sheet right now is a steal. All right, this is absolute must-have second stock that you should be buying right now. Just to collect dividends is a steal right now. All right, so AT&T is my second pick of the week. I would buy this straight up. I already own a ton of shares of this, and I sell calls on this. Every single week, I sell calls, all right? It is one of my favorite stocks. I own 100 shares right now, and I sell weekly calls on this, and I make $10 to $20 just to hold this stock that I was going to hold no matter what, because easily AT&T will go right back to $35.6, even $40 within the near future. Because look at that, they're easily trading around 38 to 40 bucks. So they'll go right back there. All right. They are one of my favorite companies to buy. I highly recommend it. Although the RSI is a little bit high right now, 46, that's not too bad. I usually aim for around 30, but up to 45 is good. That's why I'm saying try to get it under 30 bucks a share at AT&T so you can at least hit below 45 RSI, and you will be getting a steal of a company. Guaranteed growth, guaranteed money. Look at that. During the 2-week rally with the riot going on, they hit 33.24, the highest of the day. That's insane moves, all right? Look how low they were. They were at 33.30, and within literally a week, all right, they just jumped $3. That's not a lot, but when you own over 100 shares, that's easy money. That's massive moves right there, all right? Look at that. They barely dipped. All right, they may have dipped in the straight up the beginning. So what? So many other companies did too, but they are on a massive rally, straight up boom, boom, boom. Then a little bit down because right now the whole market is going crazy because of China closing. And I'm sure it's going to go a little bit more down. That's why I'm saying get it under 30 bucks because it should go to under 30. But if you get it under 30, 50, you're still getting a steal of a company. So make sure you make your money moves. Make sure you get your asset allocation done. Make sure you get this insane company that's easily making $96 billion in gross profit. All right. Thanks again for watching my videos. As always, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so YouTube could alert you when my next video comes out. Also, leave a comment below. Let me know any stocks you guys are buying right now. Also, follow me on Instagram. I pretty much post there daily, so if you want to be part of that, make sure to add me there as well because I post stocks to buy all the time there, so make sure to follow me there. Also, WeBull is giving 2 free stocks, one for just signing up to use their platform, and a second stock for free. When you make a deposit of $100 or more, they'll give you a second stock worth up to $1,400. Also, WeBull has a promotion going on right now that they're going to give out a free Google stock, which is another $1,400 stock pretty much that you can easily get just by following 4 easy, simple tasks they have on there. So that's 2 free stocks worth up to $1,400. And one more, Robinhood gives out a free stock just by signing up using the links in the description below. Thanks again for watching my video, and until next time, make money with Mike.